Unati mpulai Kopanye lima bota ntulai Balisa wingagaiti Baitsuka She got it from her mama but it's on Hunai No diggity Two hands on my arms both feeling me Dance floor if I do us don't feeling me Location PVT stop feeling me Kukabantu babantu with the premises Hey what do they want from a nigga She said I'm a cool young nigga Kulul, one nigga. The best thing out of the six, but he knew John on the block. I just do up a corner. Everything is a shock. But I let good in the kitchen.
I mean, the king has said it. He took the words out of my mouth. There's nothing I can say.
Your performance by Father.
Triangle, you know. Look out for your wave featuring Ukaba all the way from TEQ. Shout out to YC for coming all the way. Prepared.
But congratulations
when you
win PlayStation.
If it would have been a classic, it would have been hard to decide. But I think he gave it away. You know what I'm saying? But otherwise, you coming all the way from TEQ and coming all the way here to respect us and give us that type of performance. Shout out to you, man. Father TEQ on all social media, Facebook, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it's Father TEQ with a TEQ.
Sip and pass, the calabash, you got. Would have been fighting, just a food catch. Was at the games, was at the two up. A sickle shook, Natty. You can get the word, I swear we got tools, Natty. Touch me and that's your top off. Natty, you pool party up. Never ready for what I'm about to bring on. Dig out long enough for all of y'all to sleep on. There's in Shazam, digging for gold from dusk until dawn. Fugan get you until my dogs got grills on. Shit is game over, niggas signing out. They switch sides on this side, their life is running out. Fuck your board, meeting beats, yeah, they do it for the crowd. Chest out, no apologies, we don't hug it out. I said we here to rap, bro. I go by the name Father TEQ, and I always say there's time to rap, and then there's time to rap.